If you're looking for new construction in the Porter's Neck area of Wilmington, North Carolina, stop what you're doing and watch this video first. Walk with me through this stunning home that's only about 7 months old and has everything that new construction has, plus approximately $20,000 of updates already done for you. Hi, I'm Kimberly Crouch with eXp Realty. Click the subscribe or follow button so you don't miss a home tour. The sellers bought this brand new home in June 2025 and immediately added thoughtful upgrades because they absolutely love this home and plan to stay here long term. An unexpected job relocation means they have to leave the home they love, but it's an incredible opportunity for you. They've added a beautiful kitchen backsplash with quartz countertops, elegant islands lighting, coastal paint colors throughout that give this home character and warmth. And here's the game changer, a screened-in back porch. If you've lived on the North Carolina coast, you know a screened-in porch is essential if you actually want to enjoy your outdoor space year-round. They've also installed a full privacy fence, ceiling fans throughout, and all the finishing touches that turn a house into a home. This home features 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, approximately 2,000 square feet, and a 2-car garage. The primary suite is a true retreat with tray ceilings, dual vanities, a walk-in shower, and 2 walk-in closets. There's a separate laundry room, pull-down attic access, and smart home wiring for a security system. The location is exceptional. Blake Farm is in the highly desirable area of Porter's Neck in Wilmington, North Carolina, near Scotts Hill. Just minutes from Mayfair shopping and restaurants and about 20 to 25 minutes to both Wrightsville Beach and Topsail Beach. The neighborhood has sidewalks and amenities including a pool, splash pad, playground, and pickleball courts, with a second amenity center coming soon featuring another pool, clubhouse, and gym, according to the builder. Here's why this may be better than new construction. You get a home still under the builder's 1-year and 10-year warranties that transfer to you. You get approximately $20,000 worth of upgrades that you wouldn't be able to do until you closed. You get character and personality already built in, and you move in immediately instead of waiting for construction to be completed. If you'd like to see this home in person or have questions about the Porter's Neck area in Wilmington, reach out to me directly. I'm Kimberly Crouch with eXp Realty, offering you authentic coastal luxury at every price point. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like and comment, click follow and share. Thanks and see you soon.